Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have a special unboxing video, an anniversary unboxing gift from Mrs. Legs. Um, Mrs. Legs has been doing an amazing job of gifts lately, so this is going to be a real treat. So let me set the camera down over here. Over here, and there's my daughter. All right, don't touch Maggie.
Come up, Meg.
Megan.
Yeah. Oh, no touch. Yeah. Okay, Max. I don't think people want to see your butt.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
What is
Wow.
that present?
Hickory dickory dock. Uh-oh. I think I know what this is.
A clock? Yay. A ring.
Ho, 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 ho.
Cuckoo clock.
I think so. Oh, boy.
Oh, boy.
Happy anniversary. Aw. Glad we can help you celebrate. That's nice. Oh, wow.
Wow,
Wow.
that is amazing cuckoo clock.
Look
Is
at
that
that.
what it is?
Oh, yeah. Watch out, Max. No.
The
You see-
bird
you
comes
see-
from that window.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
No,
Mrs.
actually,
Legs.
you have to lower it down
Lower it down like that.
a little more.
Oh,
There you
nice.
go.
No,
Okay.
Max, don't touch.
And it's no.
Awesome.
I
Thank
like
you
how
so
it
much,
turns.
baby.
I like how it turns.
Okay. Oh,
Okay, guys.
all right.
Thanks for. So thanks guys for hanging in. The beginning of the video was a little crazy. Unboxing outside. We were having dinner outside and my wife surprised me with this anniversary gift, and my kids were out and we're potty training my daughter, so she's got no pants on and it got a little hectic. But I just wanted to finish up the unboxing here and just show you what came in the box. Now this is a Schneider, I'm going to pick up the camera here. This is a Schneider Cuckoo Clock. From the Black Forest of Germany. That's where most of these cuckoo clocks, these German cuckoo clocks, come from, or they're built, to say the least. So great clock. They're kind of delicate, so I don't want to grab it really roughly here. I'm just gonna hover above it and just show you. And here's where the cuckoo comes out. We're not gonna put it up today. Probably tomorrow morning, because it does require banging into a wall here with this this anchor, and it's look. I'm going to show you why it requires some care and placement. Where we put it, it really matters, because this is an 8-day cuckoo clock, and the reason why you will know if it's an 8-day cuckoo clock is because these pine cones that come with it. There's two here. These are the big boys. Normally on a 1-day or a cuckoo clock that holds, when you wind it, like a 30-hour, let's say, charge, the pine cones are probably like this big. But this is big and this is heavy and it needs to be nailed into a stud for sure. And then when you wind this, when you pull the chain, the one chain is for the wind, and the other chain is to wind the pipes here that make the cuckoo sound. It will hold a charge for 8 days, so I won't have to wind it every day like the other one. The other one I do, but that's, I like doing it, so I really don't mind. Here is the pendulum that goes underneath here, and it goes back and forth, and that's how the time goes. Also, there you see this, I guess it's like a maple leaf, but it's just not here for design. You move this up and down because trying to get these things to get close to accuracy is a challenge. So if you move it up a millimeter or two, it goes a little faster, swings faster. If you move it up a few millimeters, it swings lower. So it kind of takes a little while to get it in the ballpark. I mean, you're not going to set all your clocks to cuckoo clocks because they're not accurate. I'm sure there's people out there who are very obsessive and anal that maybe get their cuckoo clocks as accurate as they can. To me, it's a losing battle. It's more of the charm. That's why I like it. This is my second cuckoo clock, the second one that Mrs. Legs got me for my birthday. Here is the manual, and in here it shows you how to install it. Warranty. And my wife got this from Hickory Dickory Dock in Nyack, New York, and they were so kind to ship it over to my in-laws. And then, you know, they brought it over today. We're celebrating our 5-year anniversary, and I'm really, I'm cuckoo for cuckoo clocks. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon.